Hello, welcome back to instructional videos. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more in depth about reproduction in the different organisms. So as you can see on the screen, we have asexual and sexual reproduction. So asexual is a little bit more difficult to understand because it's not what our natural instinct is to do as mammals. So asexual reproduction involves only one parent. Usually the offspring is a clone, so it's basically the same genetic information as the parent. And the only time that this is not the case is if there's a mutation in the DNA of that organism. Types of organisms that reproduce asexually are plants. Some animals, like lizards, their tails can regrow if they fall off. That is called budding. And protists or bacteria. So basically, fission is when the bacteria completely splits and becomes an entirely new bacteria organism from that. Just think of mitosis, but as a bacteria. And sexual reproduction, basically, we've gone over this. You have to have two parents so that the genes are mixed, which causes variations in the offspring, which is making them different than their parents. And with the variations, species are benefiting more because they are less likely to get diseases that will wipe out the entire population because they are diverse enough. As you can see here, we have fertilization and development. This is the fertilization and development of a human, and here are some of the words that go along with it, scientific words that go along with it. I only go up to morula or blastula in 8th grade, but the further along you get in biology, and especially if you go into like genetic engineering or genetics as a career option, you will have to know different vocabulary terms for different parts of the developmental cycle of a human. Obviously over here is the life cycle of a frog. So we have eggs, a tadpole with legs, froglet, which is basically a frog but with a little tail, and then a frog. And then I think in 2nd grade, you guys probably had to do a metamorphosis of a butterfly. So here's the egg, here's the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and then a butterfly. And that'll be all for today.